In the template library, you can create your course using a pre-designed template. To help you find a template that suits your content, you can filter by categories, styles, or use a search bar. Each template contains a blurb that provides a summary of the focus area, structure, number of lessons, and design theme. You can preview any template. Once you have selected your template, click on the Get Started button. Enter your course title. You can also opt to use the actual brand attached to the template. If so, enter your brand name. Or you can opt to use an existing brand. If so, select your existing brand. You can then proceed to use this template and create your course.